Hi, I'm David Turner. I'm National Sales Manager for Hicks Corporation and I'm with Quik and Crispy, and I'm here to show you today our air fryers that we manufacture and how easy they are to use. So let me walk you around the Rapid Air Fryer, or RAF. The first thing you'll notice, well, I do not have a hood, so therefore I don't use oil to cook, so I'm cooking you a healthier product. As you can see, the units are nice, simple in design, stainless steel finish, easy to keep clean, a simple to use touchscreen, a basket that pulls out that will take up to 5 pounds of product in a 16-inch size. The technology is very simple. We use forced radiant blown convected heat around the cooking chamber and through the perforated basket to achieve a nice crispy finish on the product. Let me show you how to operate the Rapid Air Fryer and how we set a recipe up and how we cook. So very simply, there is a rocker switch down here which we've switched the unit on. Then the screen here is illuminated. You press the button here and now you have your categories. Simple categories here. We have cook, the stock pot, add menu items in the menu book, for doing setups, etc. within the machine, the 2 cogs, and assistance if you need to call the factory. So let me walk you through a recipe, how we set a recipe up. So we quite simply go to the cookbook, and here we will have an opportunity to create a category or add or edit a recipe. Now this machine will take 108 recipes in 6 subsets of 18, so you can put a lot of recipes in this unit. So let me show you how I edit one. So I'll take grill, I'll go down to edit, and then I can change the name of it. If I want to change it to something else, I can put an image there. And if I want to change the recipe in the terms of time or add, I can change it from, in this case, burgers. I can change the time. And put the time in, I hit OK, and then the same would be for the temperature, which is at 460. I would hit OK. Then I back out. Then I can check to make sure everything's good here. I can also change the blower setting, so a majority of the product you cook is on a high blower setting. Once that's done, I can back all the way out. I'm back to the home screen. So if I want to cook and I want to cook that recipe, I've got to bear in mind if I start this machine in the morning, it's going to revert back to the recipe that was in there at last time of service. So I then go down and hit that category. I'm going to go to grill, I'm going to select my burgers, and I'm ready to go. So think of a traffic light. While the unit is heating, it's going to be amber. We've got the red square, which is stop. When everything's ready and you get the green arrow, you're ready to cook. It'll also beep at you when it reaches temperature. Once you've done that and it's ready to cook, you can put your product in the basket. So you simply pull the basket out. I always recommend lightly seasoning the basket for the first recipe of the day, and then you put your product in. Bear in mind, this is going to take up to 5 pounds of product. You want to make sure you keep it nice and level so the air fully circulates. You close the drawer, and when you're ready to go, you hit cook. So I'm going to cook a quick recipe to demonstrate the Rapid Air Fryer. Something that you all know, chicken nuggets. This is the commercial available nugget that I'm using. So quite simply, I loaded in about a 3 pound bag of nuggets inside the basket. I'll slide the basket back in, and I'll press the green arrow and start the cook. The chicken nuggets that I've cooked in this air fryer were cooked at 465 degrees for 5 minutes. And here's the finished example. Quick and crispy. Now I'm going to cook some crinkle cut fries. These are readily available. We recommend that you use ones that are designed for air frying or convection cooking to get the best results. So The basket will take, as I mentioned, up to £5, but we want a nice even cook on these, so I would recommend 2.5 to 3 pounds of fries spread evenly in the basket. I close the basket and hit start. Okay, so I cook these fries in here for 5 minutes and 15 seconds at 465, and they're about ready to come out. And here's the finished article. Let me show you how easy it is to clean the rapid air fryer. As you can see, as I mentioned, it's stainless steel construction, so everything is easy to keep clean. This simply comes off. Behind here we have 2 filters. We have a grease filter at the front that slides off, and we have an electrostatic filter at the back that slides off. These are aluminum, so when you clean them, you need to make sure that you put those in soapy water, and the life on these is about 60 to 90 days, or when you can't clean any grease off. The basket simply comes out for cleaning and removes like so. The heat shield will come off. The tray actually pulls forward and removes, and then the inside, which is the inner air plenum, slides forward and breaks down for easy to clean. You can use any commercial oven degreasers or cleaners on this. The stainless can be soaked overnight to remove any carbon buildup, and the process takes a couple of minutes, if that, to tear down and put back together again.